We'll guide you through how to import file in VSDC Video Editor. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click the VSDC Video Editor icon to open the program on your computer. Once the program is running, click the Import Content option to import the main video into a new project. Select the video you want to use from your device, then click the Open button to load it. When a message appears asking whether to use the project settings from the imported file, click Yes to continue so the settings match the source video. After that, change the project title to How to Import File in VSDC Video Editor. When everything looks correct and ready to proceed, click the Finish button. Next, click the Editor menu at the top of the interface to access additional editing tools. In the Group Editing section, you will find several options for adding different types of objects to the project. Select the Add Object option to continue importing additional elements into the current project. As an example, choose Image because you want to import image files into the current project. Select the 2 images you would like to add, then click the Open button. When the pop-up window appears, select Add to Layer so the images are placed on the timeline. You can adjust and use the images however you like, because this step is only demonstrating one example of importing files. Next, click the Add Object option again in the upper left corner of the editor. Then select the Audio option to add an audio file to the project. Choose the audio file you want to import, click Open to continue, and then click the OK button to confirm the action. After the audio file has been added, you can adjust the audio duration as needed and preview the result to make sure it fits your project. Check the timeline to confirm that all files have been imported successfully and are ready to be used in your editing workflow.